Hi, in this video we will discuss another set of questions from the topic averages. The first question is, average weight of 17 students is 53 kgs. After including a new student in that group, the average weight rises by 2 kgs. What is the weight of the new student? Here, initially there were 17 students and the average weight is 53 kgs. So what is the total weight of 17 students? It is number of students 17 into average. Okay, this is the total weight of 17 students. And after including a new student, we will assume the weight of new student is equal to x kgs. And after including, the average rises by 2 kgs. So what is the total of 18 students? When one student is included, the total number of students is equal to 17 plus 1, 18. Number of students into average. Average is 53 plus 2. It is 55. This is the weight of 18 students. So what is the weight of the new student? Here the total weight of 18 students is equal to 18 into 55 is equal to the total weight of 17 students. 17 into 53 plus we will add the weight of new student. It is x. So you can find out x value here. If you simplify, you will get x value. Or we can do this in another method also. Okay. So here the average weight is given as 53 kgs and there are 17 students initially. So we will assume each student is 53 kgs and there are 17 students. There are 17 students. When one student is added, the average rises by 2 kgs. So the average became 55. Okay. When this new student is added, the average became 55 and we have to find the weight of the new student. Okay. So when this new student is added, the average rises by 2 kgs. So this new student gave 2 kgs to each of these 17 students. Okay. So this new student age will be new average. It is 55 plus he gave 2 kgs to each of the 17 students. 2 kgs into how many students? 17. So it is 55 plus 34. It is 89. So the weight of the new student is 89 kgs. It is fourth option. Next one. Average runs of a player in 6 matches is 37. How many runs he must score in the next match to make his average 40? So what is the total runs in the 6 matches? It is total number of matches. It is 6 into average into 37. So this is the total runs in the 6 matches. And we will assume in the next match he made X runs. In the next match he made X runs. So the average becomes 40. So here what is the total runs of this 7 matches? What is the total runs of the 7 matches? It is number of matches into average. Into new average it is 40. So here the total runs of the 7 matches will be equal to 7 into 40. This will be equal to total runs in 6 matches. It is 6 into 37 plus runs in the next match plus x. So here you can find out x value. It is 7 into 40 minus 6 into 37. If you find out by using units digit, you will get 0 minus 2. Okay, it is 10 minus 2, 8. Okay, the answer is 58. Or we can do this in another method. See, the average is 37 and the number of matches he played is 6. So we will assume in each match the number of runs are 37. In each match the number of runs are 37. Okay, there are total 6 matches. And in the next match he should score the number of runs in which the average becomes 40. The average becomes 40. So the new average will be 40 here. So 37 becomes 40. So for this each match the number of runs he gave is 3. Okay, in the next match he should score number of runs so that he can give 3 runs to each of the matches. So what should be the new score? It is new average plus number of runs he should give is 3. To how many matches? 6. So this is 40 plus 18. It is 58. Okay. So the number of runs in the next match should be 58. Next one. Third question. In a golf club, 90% of the members are men and remaining are women. See here, men are 90% and women are 10%. Okay. The average height of men is 170 centimeters. And the average height of women is 165 centimeters. Find the average height of the club members. The number of people are 90% in men and 10% women. So we will take this ratio here. We will get 9:1. Okay. So there are 9 men and 1 woman. We have to find what is the average height of the total members. So here 9 into 170 plus 1 into 65 plus 1 into 165. 165 divided by total number of members are 9 plus 1. If you simplify here we'll get 10 and you can cancel here 5 into 2, 5 into 33, 5 into 34. It is 9 into 4, 36, 27 plus 3, 30 plus 33 divided by 2. It is 339 divided by 2. It is 169.5. Fourth option. Next one, the average marks in geography exam of a class of 25 students are 64. If the marks of 3 students were misread as 44, 46 and 61 in lieu of the actual marks, 54, 64 and 67 respectively. Find the correct average. See here there are 25 students. Okay. And the average is 64. Okay. From this average, the mistakenly read marks are 44, 46 and 61. Okay. These marks are mistakenly read. But what are the actual marks? They are 54, 64 and 67. These are the correct marks and these are the wrong marks. So what shall we do here? We will subtract the wrong marks. We will subtract these all. We will subtract these all and we will add these all. Okay. So here 54 plus 64 plus 67 minus of 44 plus 46 plus 61. Okay. Here 54 minus 44 is 10 plus 64 minus 46 is 18 plus 67 minus 61 is 6. So this is 34. Okay. This is plus 34. Right. So the actual marks are 34 more than these marks. Right. So here we will take the same average. We will take the same average plus. Here we have got plus 34. Plus 34 divided by, and this 34 are equally divided among these 25 students. Right. Plus 34 divided by 25. So how will we solve this? We will multiply 4 in numerator and denominator. We will get here 34 into 4 is what? 4 into 4, 16. It is 136 divided by 100. This is 1.36. So the actual average is 64 plus 1.36. It is 65.36. Second option. Next one. Fifth one. The average of the cube of the first 4 natural numbers is what? See, what is the sum of the cube of first n natural numbers? It is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. This is the sum. Okay. And how do we find average? Average is equal to the sum divided by number of numbers. Okay. It is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square into, we have to divide this with n. This is average of the first n natural numbers. So here we will substitute n is equal to 4. We will get 1 by 4 into 4 plus 1, 5 divided by 2 whole square. This is 2 into 2. It is 1 by 4 into 10 square. It is 100 divided by 4. It is 25. So the answer is 25. Next one, all 60 students of a class appeared in a mathematics examination the average of 25 students is 96. See, first there are 60 students and the average of 25 students is 96. And the average of the remaining students is 84. What are the remaining students? It is 60 minus 25, 35. The average of 35 students is 84. The average marks of the entire class is what? See, the number of students are 25. For this 25 students, the average is 96. And for 35 students, the average is 84. See, for the number of students, we can take ratio. We will simplify it 5 into 5, 5 into 7. See, for 5 members, the average is 96 and for 7 members, the average is 84. We have to find the average for this 12 members. So, here average is equal to total of the 5 members, it is 5 into 96 plus total of 7 members, 7 into 84 divided by total number of members, it is 12. We will simplify here. It is 4 into 3, 4 into 2, 4, 4 into 21. Okay, 3 into 8 and 3 into 7. So, here the answer is 40 plus 49. It is 89. 89 is the total average. First option. Next one. Seventh question. There are 75 boys and 45 girls in a class. If the average weight of boys is 60 kgs and the average weight of girls is 40 kgs, then find the average weight of the whole class. See, there are 75 boys. These are boys. 75 boys and these are girls. 45 girls. Okay. If the average weight of boys is 60 and the average weight of girls is 40. So we will take the ratio of the number of boys and girls. It is 15 into 5, 75, 15 into 3. And we have to find the total average weight. It is number of boys into average of the boys. 5 into 60 plus number of girls is 3 into average of girls is 40 divided by total number of people. It is 5 plus 3, 8. So we will get here 300 plus 120 divided by 8. It is 420 divided by 8. It is 4 into 2, 4 into 105. Here 52.5 is the average. It is second option. Next one. A man wants to purchase a car and for that he checks the rating of the car on internet. He finds the ratings of 9 by 10 for comfort and 8 by 10 for resale. Based on his requirements, he gives a weightage of 55% to comfort and 45% to resale value. Calculate the final rating of the car. See, what is the weightage? He gave, for comfort, he gave 55% and for resale, he gave 45%. Okay. And what is the ratings? For comfort, it is 9 by 10 and for resale, it is 8 by 10. Okay. And for this weightage, we will take the ratio. It is 5 into 11 and 5 into 9. We have to find the average of the final rating. It is 11 into 9 by 10 plus 9 into 8 by 10 divided by total weightage is 11 plus 9, 20. So here we'll get 99 divided by 10 plus 72 divided by 10 divided by 20. This is equal to 171 divided by 10 into 1 by 20. So this is 171 divided by 200. It is 2 into 100. 2 into 85.5. So here we'll get 8.55 divided by 10. It is first option. Next one. The average of P, Q and R is 40. If the average of P and Q is 35 and the average of Q and R is 45. What is the value of Q? Here, what is the total of P, Q and R? It is 40 into 3. It is 120. And the average of P and Q is 35. So, what is the total of P and Q? 35 into 2, 70. And the total of Q and R is what? It is 45 into 2, 90. Okay. So, we will add these two. What we will get? Total of P plus 2Q plus R is equal to 160. So here if you see, there are Q 2 times. There are two Qs here. In this equation, in the second equation, we have Q 2 times, and in this equation, we have P plus Q plus R is equal to 120. We have Q one time. So this is first equation. If we subtract these two equations, second equation minus first equation, we will get Q value. Okay. Here Q value is 160 minus 120. It is 40. It is second option. Next one. The average income of 35 employees is K. If income of manager is also included, then the average income becomes 19,000. If the income of manager is 54,000, then what is the value of K? The average income of 35 employees is K. So what is the total income of 35 employees? It is number of employees 35 into K. And if the income of manager is included, then what is the total income of 36 employees? 35 employees plus manager. It is 35K plus income of manager. It is 54,000. But the average is given as 19,000. So we will equate this 35K plus 54,000 is equal to total income of this 36 people. It is 36 into 19,000. See, the 19,000 is the new average and the total number of people are 36. So if you simplify, you'll get K value here, or you can do this in another way. See, the average income of 35 employees is K. So we will assume the income of every employee is K. Okay, there are 35 employees here. And the income of manager is 54,000. Okay, if the income of manager is included, the average became 19,000. So this K became 19,000. So this 54 also became 19,000. And what is the remaining money here? 54 minus 19, it is 35,000. So when the manager's income is added, it became 19,000 and the remaining 35,000 is been given to all the 35 employees. So 35,000 divided by 35, it is 1,000. So 1,000 rupees is given to each of the 35 employees. So when 1,000 is given, it became 19. Okay. So before 1,000 was given, what would it be? It would be 18. Okay. So the value of K is 18. I hope you understood this problem. K is equal to 18,000. Third option. Next one, the average marks obtained by Mahesh in 5 subjects is 62. And he obtained 71 marks in 6th subject. What is the average of the marks secured by Mahesh in all the 6 subjects? So what is the total marks obtained in 5 subjects? It is number of subjects 5 into average. 5 into 62. This is 310. So the total of 5 subjects is 310. And he obtained 71 marks. So what is the total of 6 subjects? It is 310 plus 71. It is 381. We have to find the average marks obtained by him in 6 subjects. So what is the average? Total divided by number of subjects 6. It is 63.5. It is first option. Or you can do this in another method also. See, the average is 62. There are 5 subjects. The average is 62. And he obtained 71 marks in the 6th subject. He got 71 marks in the 6th subject. So this also we will imagine as 62. Okay. And what are the remaining marks? 71 minus 62 is 9. So he got 9 marks more than the average. So this 9 marks will be equally distributed among these 6 subjects. See, we will take the initial average. It is 62 plus he got 9 marks more in the 6th subject. So plus 9 divided by, and this 9 marks will be equally divided among 6 subjects. 9 by 6. It is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. So the new average is 63.5. It is first option. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.